Sponge, how can I help you?
Hey, may I order 5 Italian
Can I
pizzas?
have your telephone number, please?
Sorry?
Your number, please.
What do you want my number?
Can you please hold?
No, no, can I speak to the manager? You're very rude.
Yeah, sure. Hold on, like for an
Yeah,
hour or two, okay?
no, you fucking bitch.
Want to know the secret to a stress-free party? Vince's Pasta and Pizza. Our place is perfect for your next event. Great for parties, team celebrations, family reunions, and yes, businesses love Vince's too. We'll bring the food, you bring the fun. Ask about our party packages and fundraisers for nonprofits. Vince's Pasta and Pizza and parties, where your satisfaction is our success.
End it. Dance, baby.
Should I do the same one again?